friends, welcome to Fun Toy World. Today we're gonna have lots of fun as we go with Baymax trick or treating. So let's go get lots of candy. Let's get started. Okay, let's put the candy bag into Baymax. Alright, Baymax. There's your candy bag. Ready to go trick or treat. Yay! Okay, Baymax, are you ready to go trick or treat?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go look for a house to go trick or treat so you can get lots of candy. Let's go! Trick or treat! Do you have some candy? Yes, we have lots of candy. What do you think, Minnie? Should we get some to Baymax? Yes, let's give some. Let's give him some. Trick or treat! Lots of candy. Yummy. Trick or treat. Lots of candy all for me. Thank you, Minnie and Mickey. Whoa! A giant spider. Oh, I want some candy. My candy. No, my candy. Mickey, a giant spider took all my candy. What am I gonna do? Don't worry, Baymax. We'll share the rest of our candy. Okay, it is Halloween, so we'll be more than glad to share. Thank you. And everybody have a happy Halloween. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave some comments below. Check out our other videos and we'll see you next time. Have a happy Halloween. We'll see you. Bye-bye. Hi friends, welcome to Fun Toy World. What are we gonna do today, Chloe?
We're gonna make some costumes from Baymax and all those Ninja Turtles.
Wow, they're gonna be amazing. So, what's the magic word?
Let's get started.
Okay, let's